expansive 640-acre property features wide open views of rolling terrain and distant mountain ranges, creating a stunning backdrop for a productive agricultural operation or visionary investment. Combining seclusion with convenience, this land offers a rare opportunity for farming, ranching, or future development, just 5 minutes from Burns, Wyoming, and only 25 minutes from Cheyenne. With its easy access to major amenities, this property also holds strong potential for small acreage development with its gentle terrain and excellent water resources. Well equipped with 5 state-registered water wells, a solar-powered well with stock tank, a traditional windmill well, and multiple water spigots for efficient distribution across the headquarters, this property is designed with functionality in mind. The land is fully fenced and cross-fenced, supporting quality native grasslands ideal for grazing. Infrastructure includes multiple outbuildings, a large metal barn, and a modest home, making it ready for immediate agricultural use. Whether you're an established rancher seeking to expand or an investor looking to tap into Wyoming's growing opportunities, don't miss your chance to own this versatile property with endless possibilities. For more information and a qualified showing, please contact Matt Munford at 307-640-3756.